What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to stake ETH with Lido for liquid staking. So we're here on stake.lido.fi and what you need to do is to connect your wallet. You can see the big blue buttons at the top right corner and at the center of the screen. You can actually click on any, and once you click on that, you get to choose your provider. This could be from your browser, your MetaMask, your Aux wallet and other options available. So basically your goal here is to connect with one of these wallets. So let's go ahead and click on browser and then we'll be choosing Phantom. And you can see right here, we've been asked to verify this connection. We're going to click on connect. And before you do this, take note that if it's on your mobile device, you need to open your mobile device in order to approve the connection. And you can see right here, available to stake 0.0 ETH. And this is the account details. And say we have some ETH right here. You're going to go ahead and put it right there and simply click on stake. And of course, before you click on stake, you want to go down here to look at what you receive, the exchange rate, the mass transaction cost, and the reward fee. Once you're sure of what you're having right here and you're okay with the Lido APR, you can go ahead and put the amount of ETH and then stake it. You will receive ST-ETH in your wallet. And of course, you could look at it while you watch it grow, or you could also do some other transactions with your staked ETH.